dapat yung muna i-address eh. Possible mong umakyat, aakyat pa. So yun ang isa sa mga pinag-usapan namin. And that's the reason that I hosted a dinner with some of the senators who were nagkaka-interested at mapag-usapan namin yung mga preparations sa Senate. And of course, automatically, we will be able to touch the issue of the possible impeachment na nasa House of Representatives. So, yun ang isa sa mga diniscuss lang. Going back to your question.
Your preparations, SP, kayo and the Senate.
Ako, personally, in the event that they find probable cause and there are articles of impeachment of any official that is submitted to the Senate, because of my twice experience of being involved in any impeachment in the Senate, meron naman tayong more or less background dito. But then again, as presiding officer, I made sure that I will review the rules of court. I am being helped by a number of lawyers and at the very least 2 justices that are giving me a very good perspective of what to expect. Ang importante kasi is that I brush up on the rules of court so that it may jive with the impeachment rules and the rules of the Senate because sui generis ang impeachment Hindi naman talaga exactly pwede mo sabihin judiciary ang buong system niya Hindi mayroong kombinasyon talaga sa amin sa impeachment. So I'm brushing up on that. You can call it a crash program, but it's continuing.
And it's best that you are prepared.
Yes,
Okay.
prepared for any eventuality.
How hard